MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
I'm at Arrowsmith Engineering in Coventry, a business that machines components on their Leadwell machines for the aerospace industry. I'm going to have a chat with Jason Aldridge, the Managing Director, who tells us about the bright future ahead of them. Jason, Leadwells are your machines of choice here at Arrowsmith. Why is that?
We've used them for many years. Very reliable, reasonably priced, FANUC system. Work very well for us. That they'll service them when required. They just suit our needs.
And what are you machining?
We do aerospace components for engines, braking systems, but 99-100% aerospace. We do small volume work, we do some much bigger work, but we're known for our development, our after sales and our high skilled work. We've been on Beta Road since 1970, formed in 1967, worked with the top aerospace companies since 1970. Yeah, and we're a strategic supplier. We only work for wheeled aerospace companies. So yeah, we're doing some pretty good stuff on the Leadwells. And
it's a nice machine shop, and I see, is there some sort of development work going on at the back of the company as well?
Yeah, we're building a new factory, new office block for 20 more staff. So yeah, we're looking to quadruple our size in the next 4 or 5 years. We've got LTAs with major wheeled aerospace companies. So yeah, we're growing. So Leadwell will be pleased to know we're getting a few more machines.
Well, that's good to know. And what is the most recent purchases you've made from Leadwell?
We've had quite a few recently. We've had a big C-axis lathe. I think we had that last year, which has worked very well. We had a 5-axis previous to that. And we just got a little V20i just to keep us going recently.
Because interestingly, their 5-axis is a fairly new machine to the marketplace, but they've had a lot of success with it. We've been to one other company that's got a machine and spoke very highly of its capabilities. Would you endorse that?
I would, and it was our first 5-axis and a really good machine to learn about 5-axis on. Operating system again is FANUC, so easy to use and not a too complicated machine. A good starter 5-axis, I would describe it as, but really has helped us. We'd happily get another one. And
when you say it's helped you, has it enabled you to do more operations on one machine rather than taking components from one mill to another? Yeah,
very much so. We're slightly different to some of the higher production companies because we do development work. There's a lot of changing. Do you know what I mean? There's a lot of small numbers. Change of drawings, change of design. We need something which we can set up and manoeuvre very quickly. Do you know what I mean? It's not about producing hundreds of thousands on that one system. So we need something which is very usable, and that works well for that type of work.
So yeah, it's about having a machine that can produce a quality product flexibly.
Very much so, for a reasonable price.
For a reasonable price,
indeed.
Absolutely. And I think that is a big thing about Leadwell. They are a very good machine at a very competitive price.
Yeah, that's why we use them.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.